Hello guys, my name is Nomaru Fosemari. I'm the creator of the GreenThumb, an AI plant care and gardening app. So it has four sections: the user input, the image generation, the plant details, and the gardening chatbot. So all you need to do is to type in the plant you want. It will generate the image, then it will give you a detailed summary of the plant, the details, and you can also type in a chatbot. You can ask it specific questions about the plant in a chatbot, like watering tip, gardening tip, the plant cycle, and any other questions or instructions that you are concerned about. So please, I would appreciate if everyone will try it. So I invite you to try this wonderful application. Thank you.